how to get $35 promo code on Lyft. So let's get started. First thing first, open any web browser on your mobile device and in the search address bar, search for the Lyft promo code and enter it. Once you search for the Lyft promo code, you will see various options available on your screen. Now all you have to do is pick one. Here I'm choosing this one for now as an example. You can simply scroll down, look various options, whichever you feel is trustworthy, you can choose one. And now in this one, you will get to see a long list of offers available. Now choose again according to your preferences. There are more than 15%, 20%, 30%, 40% off option available. Now once you choose one of them, you will be navigated to the promo code option. Now here you can see the promo code available on your screen. Now all you have to do is copy it and paste it to your Lyft account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.